Think you need an hour to burn stubborn belly fat? Think again. This 3-minute science-backed workout targets your core without equipment. What busy professionals don't know, these 5 moves burn more calories than 30 minutes on a treadmill. Your transformation starts now. Alright team, let's kick things off with a quick warm-up. High knees for 20 seconds. Drive those knees up, get that heart rate going, keep those arms pumping, that's it. Brilliant work. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, amazing. Now we're moving straight into our first exercise, mountain climbers. 30 seconds, let's go. Get into that plank position, hands under shoulders, and drive those knees toward your chest, alternating as fast as you can. This is brilliant for your core. Keep breathing, that's it, keep pushing. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fantastic work. Next up, bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and alternate bringing your elbow to the opposite knee. This is absolutely fantastic for those obliques. Keep your shoulders off the ground, feel that burn in your core. 15 seconds to go, you've got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, brilliant, now for plank taps. Back into that plank position, core tight and alternate tapping your shoulder with the opposite hand. Keep those hips stable. Don't let them rock side to side. This works your entire core, halfway there. Keep breathing, 10 seconds left, push through. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing effort. Flutter kicks. Lie on your back, hands under your lower back for support, and alternate kicking those legs up and down. Keep them low to really engage that lower abs area. This targets that stubborn belly fat. Keep going, you're doing brilliantly. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. Last exercise, standing oblique crunches. Stand tall, hands behind your head and crunch to the side, alternating left and right. Really feel that stretch in your side abs. Perfect for those love handles. Keep your movements controlled. 15 seconds to go. You're almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Absolutely smashed it. Well done, team. Let's take a moment to cool down. Deep breaths, gently stretch out those abs. You've just completed a proper fat-burning workout in just 3 minutes. That's the beauty of high-intensity training. It's not about how long, but how hard you work. If you enjoyed this workout and want more quick, effective sessions like this one, hit that subscribe button. I've got loads more 3-minute workouts coming your way. Remember, consistency is key. Do this 3 times a week and you'll see results. You're amazing. See you in the next workout.